190,000. Hello guys, welcome to Tech. I'm here to make an explanation. I'm doing a job on outside the shop. This is MB family. This is CS. And we have the BS. This is Fujitsu MB chip processor. And this is our soldering pass. With this one, you can see the session. The 5 holes at the top one. This is U in and U out. We have our ground as this one. We have the MDD here. Our reset is here. We firstly use this session. If you couldn't read the data, then you will come to here. So I'm going to solder the lead. I'm going to let it, then solder the point. And this is Kia info 40 or something. Yeah, I think so. And the mileage is 190,000. We are going to do it around 60 to 70,000. So hold on for this section. One thing I realized that, as you can see, this is where our ground is. So I strongly believe this session is supposed not to work. If it works by a means, this is the actual place that I'm supposed to type this thing from. But I'm trying the other options to see if it will work or not. So guys, as I said, I'm now going to our program. So as you can see, the soldering point over here is different from that of this one. As you can see, this one is different. When I'm done, I will show you so that you can see. Although the diagram here is different, they are the same processor. This is BS and this is CS, but they are the same thing. So we're supposed to read. Since we have this one, that means this chip is ready. So that means it has a good communication. The points over there are correct.
And alternative medical hospital.
That's right.
Unique roofing, Unique roofing, your professional roofing, installation, sheet silk, steel trusses, woodwork, any roofing when you have over unique roofing, your aluminium, aluzinc, your IDR, self-lock, aero tiles, any near Kikamina. Unique roofing, your Juma Wati, now your roofing and pop and pipa and rate na change so what the board down so a denim to say form na everlasting. Near done so unique roofing when you say you're not free installation, free estimate, and nothing so you're more free advice. And what the kind of roofing sheet I was the we use it out the beer was you dying. Yes, I will have to say when you say what 10 buckets beer, it's all back over the contractors, any Odometer or the pay, you do they can put heritage paint at the amount. Heritage paint, oh, the beer, yes, paint. That's open to you to a red month for 755182558. Heritage paint, the body man is say for a cooler home.
I'll elaborate on something about this thing. I will save this one, the new one, so that we get to know where the money was changed. And I will explain something small. We're ready to confirm
Magic FM 88.1.
The mileage is alright.
They do too.
That's improving it. As I was saying earlier, this is BS. Someone asked, why did I use BS? I'm coming. I will explain it again. As you can see, this is where the light was changed. If you can see where the red are, all the red lights are where the light or these go. All the rest. If you could see all where the red has been highlighted, that's when the mileage will be changed. That is it. And this MB 91X0, the BS is the same as MB91F06 CS. Instead of the BS comes with CS. That's the difference. But they are the same chip. So you can use the BS diagram for the CS and it will work the same way. So that is it. Thank you for watching. Oh, okay, we can go to probably on the car and then show you the mic.